Right, this is video 6.7. We did the volume of prisms and cylinders yesterday. Today is pyramids and cones. So for a pyramid, you find the area of your base and multiply that by h, and then you take 1/3 of it. And then for a cone, you're going to take the area of your circle at the bottom, multiply it by your height, and then take 1/3 of it. All right, let's start with a regular pyramid. A rectangular pyramid, which means it just has a rectangle or a square for a base. So remember, we're going to find the area of our base first. If we have our base is 4 and our height for our base is 6, our area is going to be 4 times 6, which is 24. And then for the volume, we take 1/3 of this times our height, which is 10. That will give us 80. We're going to go ahead and call them feet. They could be any unit. Since I didn't give you a unit, 80 feet cubed. So remember, volume, you do cube because this is a 3-dimensional object. For a triangular pyramid, this one's a little trickier. One thing you want to make sure that you don't do, remember that the area of the base is 1/2 base times height. And then when we do volume, we're going to do 1/3. So we're going to take 2 fractions out of this one. So for this one, my base has a height of 8 and a side of 4. So for my area, I'm going to do 1/2 of 4 times 8, which is 16 feet. And then for my volume, I'm going to take 1/3 of 16 times 8. So I'm going to put my calculator. I don't know that one. So 16 times 8 would be 128 divided by 3, which is 42.67, and this would be feet cubed. Now for our cone, we're going to take the area of our circle down here at the bottom. So our area is pi r squared. So my r is 4, so this is 16 pi. Since I squared my 4 and got 16, I'm going to leave it at 16 pi for now, rather than getting a decimal and then adding it into the other. It's better to go ahead and keep the pi and then find the answer after you've done your volume. So the volume is 1/3 of your base times your height. So the area of our base is 16 pi, so I'm going to do 1/3, 16 pi times 12. Now my 3 and my 12, I'm going to go ahead and reduce those down to a 4, and I can do my 16 times 4, just 64. So this is 64 pi would be my volume, which is approximately 200.96. And we would say this is feet cubed. Either of these answers would be acceptable because pi is acceptable for your answer. All right. Go ahead and click on the link, work a few problems like these on your own, and then come to class and we'll practice some more. Have a good night.